Hey there, this is Travis at travisjloises.com and welcome to my email copy Dyno review. Now I'm here inside of the members area of email copy Dyno, and during this video I'm going to run through exactly what this is and how it works. In a nutshell, this is a straightforward application software that helps you to create email sequences or similar emails. You can see how much content there is in here, and it's going to show you everything that you need to know to be able to start making some good money online using emails for a very affordable price for what you're getting. And I will reveal that in just a moment. So if this sounds like something that would be of interest to you, then stick with me because I'm going to go into more detail inside the members area. I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who would like to pick this up. You can find my link, which is down below in the description of this YouTube video. If you click on that link, it's going to bring you through to my website. Now this is going to go live Wednesday the 21st at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So once it goes live, then you go ahead and you can pick this up by clicking on any of these yellow buttons that are scattered throughout my website page. And that will take you through to the sales page that looks like this. And this is where you're going to be able to go ahead and get instant access and make your purchase. First of all, though, I want to go over my exclusive bonuses that you're going to get for picking this up through my link. So my first bonus that I'm going to give you is a free funnel and website builder. You're going to get access to a free funnel and website builder so that you can build your own funnels to drive traffic to. You're not going to need to use a credit card to create this, and this is going to be free for life. This also includes 6 extra exclusive bonuses for me on the access page when you create your free account that you'll be able to see once you click through to that. Bonus number 2 is going to give you access to Build Authority YouTube Channels course. This is a course that shows you how to build authority YouTube channels that can outrank your competition for promoting any type of affiliate offers. My exclusive bonus number 3 is I'm going to give you a training that I created on showing you how to find buyers on Facebook. We'll show you how to find buyers on Facebook that you can build a relationship with and market products to them. My last bonus number 4 I'm going to reveal here is my own personal solo ad vendors that send me buyers. This is a collection of winning solo ad vendors that have produced all of my commissions. Okay, once you click any of these yellow buttons on my review page here, then you're going to go ahead and be able to get instant access with this, plus all of my exclusive bonuses. All 4 of these bonuses you're going to be able to get just for picking this up to the front end of $47. Now, once you've done that, you simply just need to go through to your JVZoo account, click on your username and click on Purchase History and click on Email Copy Dyno. And that will bring you through your receipt. That will look like something like this, where you'll find a blue button on that receipt page. It says Access Affiliate Bonuses. When you click on that blue button, you'll get instant free access to all of these bonuses. Now here inside the sales page, here the header says, Secret Email Tool writes buyer getting copy in any niche and style automatically for you. It's beginner friendly, no copywriting skills needed, fast results at your fingertips. Auto writes powerful, high converting emails, no copywriting skills needed, 9 email types including affiliate promotions, re-engagement, B2B, webinars, product launches, and more. Custom created in just a few minutes by answering simple questions. Fire a copywriter, have any kind of email written for you exactly how and when you need it. Their software has been tested and proven to get massive open rates, clicks, and sales. Works perfectly in any and all niches for all target audiences. Easy to use and completely beginner friendly, even if you hate writing. Unlimited, perfectly crafted, complete email sequences. And you get the commercial license included. And you can sell email sequences as a service. So it's showing here that in just 3 steps, it just takes minutes. You log in, simply log into your email Dyno dashboard whenever you need emails. Select the style and purpose of your emails and answer the simple questions. Step 3, done. Email copy Dyno will instantly write your custom emails for you, ready to use. It's got some testimonials. Shown here, the product creators here are Cindy Donovan and Patrick Ingham. And it's got a demo here. I'm not going to go through the sales page. I'll let you do that in your own time. Okay, I'm here inside the members area. Here's a training section that's going to show you actually how to use the Copy Dyno. Here's another video. It's going to show you how to save your answers. Over here in the dashboard, it's going to be a full video of actually how to get started with Copy Dyno. You're going to go over here and you're going to create an email. And they got all these different sections of the different type of emails that you can create. You got list nurturing emails that you can use onboard your new subscribers and get them to trust you. Webinar emails you can use to invite your subscribers to attend a webinar you are promoting. Affiliate promotion emails that you can use to promote products or services owned by others. Cart abandonment are emails that you can use to bring back your visitors that did not complete their purchase. Re-engagement emails to where you can re-engage your inactive subscribers. Discount offers, emails that you can use to promote different discount and time limited offers. Product launch emails that you can use to promote your launch of any product, even if it's a relaunch. B2B cold emails. Use these emails to pitch your products or service to other businesses. JV invite emails. Use these emails to invite JV partners and affiliates to promote your product launch. And the last one is the soap opera sequence. Write onboarding email sequences that gets your readers anticipating their next email, like soap opera movies. So here you can select your tone. Right now it's just showing a standard. I'm sure once this goes live, they're going to have different types of options. This one is suggesting that it will sell without appearing too aggressive or too soft. Just go ahead and give your email profile a name. I'm actually going to send you over to Neil Napier. He's going to go over a full demo of email copy Dyno because I'm sure he can do a much better job than I'm able to show you here. And I'll be back with you in just a moment.
Hey there, this is Neil Napier, and along with Patrick Ingham, I want to welcome to this demo of Email Copy Dyno. Email Copy Dyno is a straightforward application that helps you create your email sequences or single emails if you want by just answering a few questions. Now, we are different from other tools out there in that we give you the option for tonality, and we also give you the option to rewrite your emails based on our pre-written formats. So let's go ahead and start creating a new email, and I'll show you exactly how this works. When you create a new email, you have a few different kinds of emails that you can create based on what you need them for. You've got list nurturing emails, webinar emails, affiliate promotion emails, cart abandonment, re-engagement discount offers, product launch, B2B cold emails, and JV invite email. So let's say if you wanted to run emails where you could invite people to a webinar and you could get them to sign up on an opt-in form. Let's pick one of the two options. You can either choose soft or aggressive based on your approach. I'm going to choose soft in this case. Click on next, and now you're ready to answer a few questions. I'm going to fill this up quickly and bring you back. So now I've filled in a few answers for a webinar that I'm setting up, which is in this case Patrick inviting me to present a webinar on email marketing. Once you're done with that, click next, and then you can answer a few more questions. Let's do that. And now I've filled some more answers in. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to click on write email sequence, and this is going to generate 5 different emails for me. Now, these emails are good to go, but I can edit them, I can change them as I see fit, and I can then also queue them into my autoresponder if one is connected. Now, do note, not all autoresponders have the feature where we can actually push out your emails to them. And if that happens, you can always export the emails out in a document format, or you can pass them over to your VA or a team member if you want. And you can see we've got all different emails over here with different headlines as well. If I want to, I can click rewrite, and this will rewrite this particular email sequence with slightly different approach. So it's still the same thing. We're still asking people to sign up to a webinar, but we are taking a slightly different approach in this case. Once you're happy with it, you can save it and you can then exit as well. All the saved emails are saved under view saved emails, where you can check when they were created and exactly what kind of email type these were. You also have the opportunity to go into saved answers and reuse the answers that you previously used. For example, I can edit this one and run this sequence again. If I want to, I can go back to create email and create different kind of email campaigns as well. Now do note that depending on which email campaign you're choosing, there might be more questions that need answering. But the good thing is that you can use these answers over and over again, and when you fill all the answers in, you will have a really thorough email sequence. What you can also do, as I mentioned previously, is push these emails into your autoresponder. Just go to integrations, connect one of these autoresponders, and you will be able to push out your emails into the autoresponder. Now, like I said, do note that not all autoresponder give you the capability to push out your emails into them, in which case you can use the export feature and you can pass it on to someone in your team, or you can add them into your email autoresponder manually. If you need any help, you can click on training and you can check out the other training videos, as well as reach out to us via support desk. This is Neil Napier, along with Patrick Enyam. Thank you so much for watching this video.
I hope you enjoyed that demo. It looked like it was self-explanatory, and Neil Napier was very thorough with his explanation. I want to now go over here and show you all of the upsells. Now again, in the front end, email copy Dyno professional commercial license is included for just a one-time cost of $47. With the email copy Dyno commercial license, you can offer email writing services for clients and create entire email sequences in any niche fast. You can write and sell as many emails as you like, create complete email sequences, and charge them $250 to $500 a pop, or offer it as a regular service and lock in clients who will happily pay you a monthly fee. You don't need to worry about building lists. You just use the software to create the emails, and they'll use them to increase their profits. And when the service you're providing is making them more money than they used to, do you think they'll keep happily paying you every single month? Heck yeah, they will. We're included in this to you now for free. OTO1 is an email copy Dyno club plus video Dyno. This is option 1 for $67. It comes with an autoresponder integration to automatically send emails created to your email, AR. Unlock the ability to refresh created emails. So if you don't like the one, you can refresh and rebuild an entirely new version with one click. Export your emails to a PDF and docx format. Additional email styles and any future ones added automatically unlock the new soap opera email type. Plus, you'll also get access to their sister site, Video Dyno, where they can create any type of video scripts, including VSLs, video ads, local marketing videos, lead generation videos, upsell videos, and so much more. That's pretty cool. So option number one is for a yearly cost of $197. Option 2 is $27 monthly. Option 3 is $47. We've partnered up with a team at Covert Commissions who developed 70 plus done for you hosted and managed affiliate marketing funnels. Setup is very easy. Just add affiliate IDs from JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, and Pay Kickstart. And all 70 plus funnels are automatically completely branded and ready to go. Option 1 and 2 gives you plus 5 funnels immediately and 2 new funnels every month. Downloadable access to the PLR source of over 100 funnels, including the HTML pages, products, email sequences, and promotional tools for each of the 100 funnels. Option 3 Gives you a bundle of their choice of 5 funnels plus pro features, but no extra monthly funnels. All options include plus unlimited handwritten email campaigns, plus handcrafted bonus bundle incentives for popular launches as they go live, unlimited subscribers, plus unlimited bandwidth and hosting to your pages, affiliate links in every single email that is sent, no cuts, commissions removed. OTO 3 is $97, which is the email Dyno autoresponder. Access your autoresponder platform so you'll be able to put the emails that you've created into use without being lumped with the expensive monthly subscriptions. Pay a one-time and unlock the whole system. And the last one, OTO 4, is for $27, is Email Copy Dyno Cookbook. Custom created training video series going deeper into more advanced strategies for using Email Copy Dyno. Now remember, you're going to get all of my custom bonuses, the free funnel and website builder, the Build Authority YouTube channels course, the Finding Buyers on Facebook, my own personal solo ad vendors to send me buyers. And you're going to get all that just for picking up the front end. All these are just optional. They're just going to help you make more money faster. But for just the $47, you're going to get just enough of what you need in creating these different email types, and all of my bonuses that will be delivered to you directly into your JVZoo account immediately upon purchase. All right, well, that's it for my email Copy Dyno review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. See you, bye.